This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by ensuring power and a stable internet connection. This prevents interruptions. Once plugged in, open Start, type Device Manager, and press Enter so you're already in the right tool. Now expand Display Adapters. You need to see the exact GPU model listed. Take note of that name because you'll compare it to the driver you install. This step sets the baseline and avoids installing the wrong package, which can cause display issues or performance regressions. Now focus on the actual update. Right-click the GPU entry and choose Update Driver. Select Search automatically for updated driver software, so Windows will query its repository. This is fast and safe for most users. If Windows doesn't find a newer driver, make sure you've downloaded the correct driver from the GPU maker and then choose Browse My Computer to point to that folder. Once the installer runs, follow prompts carefully and prepare to restart. Many driver installs finish only after a reboot. Finish by restarting Windows so the new driver activates, and you can confirm resolution, scaling, and performance. Make sure to test multiple tasks like video playback and a quick game to verify stability. If the update causes problems, go back to Device Manager, open the driver's properties, and use Rollback Driver to revert to the previous version. This undoes problematic changes quickly. If Windows won't boot, boot into safe mode and uninstall the driver before reinstalling the correct package.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.